showing that with a little bit of love and understanding, even the most scared and timid animals can learn to trust again.
We're gonna be best friends. Alright, we got a leash.
I'm safe.
Yeah, you're safe. Everything's fine. Where are you going?
I'm going home. I was just going from the bus station.
I can bring you home if you want it.
Oh my God! Please, thank you. Thank you.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything's fine.
It's amazing.
Who knew ordering pizza could lead to such a fun and rewarding night?
Will we actually come to the kitchen?
Okay. How you doing?
We are so hungry, so thank you so much. You are so fast too. What's your name?
Bob.
Bob. Nice to meet you, Bob. Well, Bob, we want to pay you in a fun way. And we also make your day. We just want to make your day.
Yeah.
Okay?
Awesome.
So,
how exciting.
Yeah, so we're going to play a little game. Go for it. Go for it. Yo! Down with that. That is all yours. We just want to make your day.
With his witty commentary and descriptive language, he brings the game to life for his cousin and creates a heartwarming moment that will make you smile. Compassionate waiter steps in to help. With patience and understanding, he assists the customer and creates a heartwarming moment of empathy and connection. When a man in a wheelchair struggles to see the stage, the crowd bands together to lift him to the front row. With cheers and smiles all around. Get ready for some winter wonderland shenanigans. Watch as a car driver gets stuck in the snow and a truck driver swoops in like a superhero to save the day. With a tow rope and some serious muscle, he pulls the car out of the snow and onto the road. When they heard that his favorite shoe was stolen, they decided to take matters into their own hands. With a little bit of detective work and some serious teamwork, they surprised him with a brand new pair of shoes.
You're gonna make me cry, Me too.
Watch as LeBron James shows off his skills not just on the court, but with his fans too. When a ball goes out of bounds.